what I've learned throughout the process of CapExpert over the last few years, we talked about how it takes a village. I've always said it takes a huddle. Right? When I played quarterback, I could have been Lamar Jackson, but if I didn't have an offensive line, I wasn't going to be very effective. So surrounding yourself with people that you trust, that are ultimately more talented than you are, that you know they are putting the work in, ultimately you can be you can get the results a lot like me, where you're not the most talented person in the huddle, but because you've surrounded yourself with incredibly smart, talented people, and you're constantly in pursuit of not being the smartest person in the room, then the outcomes become more than you could have imagined, because you're putting your trust in your team. And ultimately that raises the outcomes of whatever mission you're on. It makes it a whole lot easier if you're all pulling in the same direction and everybody's got the same vision.